Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Integrating this rational function looks tough, but we can solve it quickly using partial fractions. Let's break down the denominator and find the answer together. First, we split the fraction 4 over x plus 3 times x minus 1 into two simpler parts. By using partial fraction decomposition, we find the coefficients are -1 and 1. Now we integrate each term separately to get natural log of x minus 1 minus natural log of x plus 3. This simplifies beautifully into the natural log of the quotient. Finally, plug in the bounds 3 and 2. This gives the natural log of 5/3. Option B is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs, trust the given values, and check your steps.